Looking to take your Power BI reports to the next level? Funnel charts can be a game changer when it comes to visualizing processes and analyzing performance. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best scenarios to use funnel charts and how they can add clarity and insight to your data. Let's dive in. Anirudh has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First up, visualizing sales or revenue stages. Imagine tracking your sales funnel from initial leads to closed deals. A funnel chart is perfect here because it highlights the drop-off at each stage, showing you conversion rates and where improvements are needed. For example, you can compare the number of leads that progress from prospect to qualified all the way to closed deals. This insight helps you identify bottlenecks in your sales process. Next, let's talk about tracking website conversion rates. A funnel chart is incredibly useful for analyzing the user journey on your website. You can visualize how users move from landing page visits to completing purchases. For example, track the flow from visits to add to cart, checkout, and finally, completed purchases. This helps pinpoint where users drop off so you can optimize your pages or processes for better conversions. Our third scenario is representing the recruitment pipeline. For HR teams, a funnel chart provides a clear picture of the hiring process. You can see how candidates progress through different stages, from applications received to offers made and hires finalized. For example, use a funnel chart to track the flow from applications to screened, interviewed, and finally, hired. This helps identify where the pipeline slows down and focus on fixing bottlenecks. Now, let's look at monitoring marketing campaign effectiveness. A funnel chart gives you a step-by-step breakdown of audience engagement in your campaigns. For example, visualize how users go from ad clicks to signups, demo requests, and finally, purchases. This makes it easy to identify which stage needs improvement to boost conversions. Finally, we have analyzing customer support ticket resolution. A funnel chart is great for tracking how tickets progress from submission to closure. For example, you can visualize the flow from open to assigned, resolved, and finally, closed. This helps spot issues like tickets getting stuck at specific stages, enabling your support team to improve resolution times. Funnel charts are more than just another visual tool. They're a powerful way to analyze processes and spot opportunities for optimization. Whether you're tracking sales, website conversions, recruitment pipelines, or customer support, funnel charts and Power BI can help you get the insights you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips. See you in the next video.